Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn our English subject of class 2. Here is unit number 5 about what's it made of. What's different things are made of. Yes, here is our lesson number 1, listen and speak. What we speak and what we listen in the reaction. Our first point is read the story. I am going to read the starting lines of the story. It's a dialogue between a son and his mother. So our first line is, Ali, Mummy, can you read us a bedtime story? Ali asks his mother to tell him or to read a bedtime story for him. Mummy, of course, why not? What kind of story would you like? What kind of story would you like to listen? Here Ali asks, can you tell us a fairy story tonight? Can you tell me about a fairy story tonight? I want to listen a fairy story. Then Mummy answers, that's a good idea. The Three Bears or Cinderella? Which story would you like to listen? The Three Bears or of Cinderella? Then Ali answers, no thanks. What's that story about the Eves? Eves are the persons who shows us the magic tricks, who shows different tricks about magics or like magicians. Okay. Here are the word bank. Here are some words for the learning these are the dictation words, and our first word is fairy. The second one is story, please, Cinderella, shoemaker, magic, Eves, thinking and mummy. These are the words and the important words, and so on. When you will read out the whole lesson, you will find more words to learn. Here are grammatical points. The grammar that is used in our lesson. Firstly, we will discuss about vocabulary. The first point is materials. Materials, what's it made of? Our title of the lesson is what's it made of, means the words that are used in our lesson are almost called our materials, that is used in the lesson or the sentences. The next point is use or choice of proper words is called vocabulary. When we use musical words or beautiful and meaningful words in our lesson, so that's why we call it vocabulary. Our third point is it's about how to write a sentence. Vocabulary is about how to write a sentence, means the choice of words that we do in the writing of the sentence, the simple words that we use in our sentences. Our second point is grammar, use of tense. The tense that is used in our story or in our title. Here we will discuss about it. The first point is simple past tense is used in the title. The simple past tense, that the work we did in the past, is called the simple past tense. And next is simple present tense is used in the lesson. Our further lesson that we read is in simple present tense, that the work is going to be done or we are doing the work in our present is called about the simple present tense. The next point is about use of pronouns and questioning words. The pronouns that we have used in our lesson. Here are some pronouns about him, her, me, it, us, them. Pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns. As our nouns are the names of person, place or things, so we use pronouns in place of that names that we call directly. So as for Ali, we use him. As for Sarah, we use her. And for ourselves, we use me. For non-living things like pencil, we use it. And for one to more people, we use us. And for them, that many people when come together at one place, we use them for themselves. So next is our point of questioning words. The words that have been used in our lesson, our whole lesson or whole dialogue are the words that we used. Here is who, why, where, when, how many, and what. These are the questioning words, the main questioning words that are used in our lesson. Yes, here our last point or an activity, shapes. This activity is about shapes. Ask and answer questions about these shapes. Firstly, we will ask questions to ourselves or to others to tell us which shape is it. Okay, we will ask the question. We can ask questions to our friends, to our parents or family members that which shape is it. So our first question is about square. What's this black shape? And the answer is it's a square. The second one is about triangle. What's this purple shape about? And the answer is it's a triangle. The next one is circle. Question is what's this shape? And the answer is it's a circle. And the fourth one is that what's this shape? And its answer is it's a rectangle. So hope you all will understand it. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.